Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a southern style country gravy. Country gravy is fantastic for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can put it on mashed potatoes, you can put it on country fried steak, biscuits, whatever you want to put it on. It's going to work great. We're going to need 3 ingredients other than our seasoning, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 cups of milk, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, about half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. In a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add in our butter and we're going to melt this. Once the butter is fully melted, we're going to go in with our flour. We're going to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes and it's going to have the consistency of wet sand. Now we're going to add in about 1/2 cup of our milk at a time. We're going to whisk it until it starts to thicken, then we're going to add in another 1/2 cup of milk. Our gravy is starting to thicken it up. It's looking great. Now we're going to go in with our onion powder and garlic powder. Going to stir this in. We're going to add in our salt and pepper. And we're going to head over to the cutting board. Now to serve this, there's many different ways to serve it. You can leave it on the pan, throw it on whatever you're serving it on. You can put it in a gravy boat. Today, I'm going to serve mine in a nice big old bowl. I'm going to set it on the center of the table. Now let's get a taste. Let's get a taste. It's nice consistency. It's holding on to the spoon perfectly, which means it's going to hold on to whatever we put it on. It's so good. It's got a lot of flavor. It's not too peppery, so if you want it a little bit more peppery, you can add your own. It's nice, it's creamy, it's a fantastic gravy. It beats any of the country gravies that you can get out of a packet. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.